Hi, my name's Mark Gibbs. I'm the owner-operator of Auto Service Shop and we're a user of 5IQ. Auto Service Shop, we specialise in servicing of all makes and models. We like to provide our customers with a high quality service at a fair and reasonable price. We are a small family run automotive service business located in Beenleigh, southeast Queensland. The problem that we're trying to solve in our day-to-day business is purely a communication between us and the customer, going right back to the start of when I was in business, and that was the mid-90s. There wasn't too much available. We were still running off the faithful paper diary on the reception counter. 5IQ bridges that gap with the communication side of things. The app allows us to send that digital service report directly to the customer. The customer has the advantage of being able to read the digital service report. They also have the advantage of seeing any photos, and we can also take a video of the problem. And sometimes we might have a noise in the driveline, and it's very hard to explain to a customer, but if we're able to show them and they can hear it, not only that is the app allows the customer then to book their next service. We're able to send service reminders through the app. It offers the customer a level of transparency. You know, there are a lot of software programs out there, but at the end of the day, no one is doing it fully as to what 5IQ is. It's brilliant. Dealing with 5IQ has been great. As a business owner, I was able to communicate straight away what I was looking for. They also then provided me with a trial of the program, which allowed me then to look at the program and evaluate it for myself. Now that I'm a user of the program, the communications with the guys at 5IQ is excellent. The industry is evolving, the car is evolving. If you don't evolve, then I feel that you're going to get left behind. And that's one of the biggest reasons that I changed, because I want to evolve with the industry. I want the technology there in my business. I want to be able to give my customers a better experience. And I think at the end of the day, customers are looking for that experience, connection, being involved with your business to a degree. And I feel that the customer app with 5IQ allows you to have that in your business. So, you know, at the end of the day, you can keep doing what you're doing, but the gap gets bigger and you need to bridge that gap.